Thanks for logging on. I'm meteorologist John Patrick with your most accurate forecast. This gorgeous weather continues to wrap up your weekend. Temperatures topping out at 82 again for the third straight day here in the valley. It looks like we could have several more days with temperatures topping out right at around 82. So we are going to see a ridge of high pressure build off to our west. These storm systems stay off to the east. So as we just kind of sit in between these storm systems, we're not going to have much change here for us. We did see those high clouds roll through the valley and really this entire state to wrap up the weekend here. Didn't get any rain out of these though. All that stayed up to our north. Actually had plenty of snow coming down in the Rockies. Some winter weather advisories, winter storm warnings in effect there. But there's that ridge of high pressure again. That's off the California coast, kind of deflecting these storm systems off to our north. So they just kind of ride by to the north of Arizona and we just get sandwiched in between them. So little day-to-day change expected as we head into the new work week. Eventually though, we'll actually see these temperatures start to come down a little bit by the time we head into next weekend, and you'll see that in your 7-day here in just a bit. Otherwise, those temperatures kind of bottoming out in the mid to upper 50s, right around 60 for some spots early Monday morning. Those temperatures climb through the 70s through the early afternoon hours and eventually topping out right at around 81 to 82 degrees here in the valley. That high cloud cover will also keep those temperatures on the mild side across northern sections of Arizona, at least above freezing in Flagstaff at 37, in the low 40s down the rim from Heber over into Show Low. Daytime highs there tomorrow should be right around 65 in Show Low, 62 for you in Flagstaff, in the mid to upper 60s from Payson over into Prescott. And as we bring things into the valley here, those temperatures a couple of degrees warmer than what we've been seeing for the last several nights, thanks to that high cloud cover, kind of keeping those temperatures up on us a little bit, but still pretty close to where we should be for this time of year. And again, those daytime highs aren't changing much tomorrow. Be right around 82 in Levine, Glendale, 81 in Tempe, 80 in Mesa. And as we roll out that 7-day forecast, we keep the temperatures in the low to mid 80 range. Really right up through Wednesday, Thursday. After that, that's when we get one of those systems to move by to our north again, help drop those temperatures back down at least into the upper 70s as we head into next weekend.